Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of the Nuke Puma with AmazingRibs.com's Dave Zrockham. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here's the Nuke Puma. Like other Santa Maria style grills, the Puma allows you to easily raise the grill grates as high as 23 inches from the coals and lock the grates in place with a manual ratchet locking system, which is super convenient. For quicker cooking foods, you can just as easily lower the grates to within 4 inches of the coals and lock them in place. The front door opens so you can manage your coals and cooking temperatures. The entire cook box is lined with refractory bricks to help retain heat, and the generous 475 square inches of cooking space allows you to cook a large amount of food at once. If the fire gets too hot and your food is burning, simply raise the food and grill grates up and out of the way with the crank wheel. The heavy front door is also lined with fire brick to help heat from escaping. The firebox is on the left and comes with a custom-fitted enameled cast iron plancha or griddle. It's your outdoor cast iron pan for cooking things like shrimp or other small foods that might fall through the grates. In the plancha, you can toast nuts, fry eggs or potatoes, or cook anything else you might cook in a cast iron pan or on a flat top. The firebox itself is generously sized for wood logs, branches, or lump charcoal. Just place your kindling or fire starter beneath the fuel and let her rip. Nuke provides a fire poke for scraping coals from the firebox to the cook box. And asadors, that's Spanish for grill cooks, are masters at refueling and managing the coals to cook a wide array of quick cooking and slow cooking meats. With the front door closed, the distance from the coals is what controls your cooking temperature, allowing for high heat searing of thinner steaks or vegetables and low and slow cooking of thicker roasts and racks of ribs. Puma comes with traditional Argentinian V-shaped grates to channel drippings away from the fire and avoid flare-ups. The grease tray is easily removable, so you can capture those drippings to create the smoky flavored sauces of your dreams. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for Pyromania. Let's give Puma a spin! Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.